know that I'm keeping that good musty. Serving to my uncle, my weed looking fluffy. Yeah, my uncle a good custody. I'm paint on the face like I'm doodle wall. Jumping, that pussy like I'm school.
Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It. Today we're in windy London. About to check out the Footpatrol Adidas Futurecraft 4D event, and hopefully we get to pick up the shoes. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, so I'm going to get some nice footage from the event, and hopefully if I pick them up I'll give you some on foots and all that good stuff after this. Peace.
Chillin' with my man Rusty, low down. Blew up the burner, kinda dusty. The world can't touch those purple Ray co-host. Montreal Expo, intellectual pro. Sun's trifling, fuck. Wildflower on the cycling. Pick up the broom, thought I was Michaelin. West Brighton Pool. Now I'm into iron dudes. Turn up the earth's whoopee. She out of law school. Inhale, break beats of hell. And your life propel, parallel. Duracell nut, you pass a burn cell. Snap in the candy land cans. The old rumor is blacks become immune and shit. We never did like eating dead birds. Trust the pharmacy over herbs. Men marrying men ill. They got the herbs pulsar. Scissor hand, wig vanished in the winter. Living off land, you goddamn right. I fuck fans, king me. Checkmate. Price like the Michael Chip founder. Neck to neck stock with Bill Gates now. When we hug these mics, we get busy. Come and have a good time with G.O.D. Make you snap your fingers or wiggle. Scream, shout, laugh, or just giggle. Shake that body, party that body. Don't fuck with ghosts and feel sorry.
Alright, so we're back in Birmingham after a brief impromptu trip to London to pick these up, and the event was a nice little event held by Adidas and Footpatrol. It was just for specific content creators or influencers and friends and family to get the chance to pick these up and see the inspiration and more about the design behind the shoe. And I'll have a few clips of that obviously before this part of the video. It's my first attempt at vlogging or some sort of vlog, and I just thought I'd test it out, see how it goes, just to see if we do more future vloggy sort of stuff. This pair, despite the sort of crazy retail price, is definitely a pair that I'm going to stick with. They're going to stay in my collection. I know I've said that before a few times now, but I don't think I'll ever get the chance to pick these up for retail or near retail, and it's just something I want to keep a hold of for history's sake, because it's a big breakthrough in midsole and cushioning technology, and a massive step for Adidas in that sense. So I'll be going on to my normal in-depth sort of review and detailed shots of the shoe after this. I'll throw in our on-foot video as well, and that's about it. I will catch you guys on the next part.
Nigga like a pamphlet.